Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're in Walmart. We're going to be putting together outfits, and if you like these videos, make sure you give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you're new, and let's go shopping. First look, I'm going with this pleated skirt from Scoop. It has that elastic waistband, has a high-low bottom, it's pleated through the front and the back. Comes in the burgundy, also in black, and they're $28. Pairing it with the scuba sweatshirt from Scoop. So this one has that crew neckline, drop sleeve, the banded wrist with the banded bottom, same kind of fit through the back. Comes in the black, green, and gray, and they are going to be $19. Pairing it with the black crossbody bag from Madden NYC. This has that top zipper, the chain, the 2 compartments, adjustable strap. You could use either one. And then the zipper in the back. Comes in the black, also in the red, and they're $20. Also going with these hoops from Time & True. So these are more of an oval style. These are $3.88. And then I'm going to go with these sneakers from No Boundaries. These remind me a lot of the Adidas Sambas. So they have the round toe, the little seam detailing. These come in a bunch of different colors with the jelly bottom. And they're $19.98. And that's the finished look. Next look, I'm going with the trench coat from Free Assembly in the green. It has the oversized collar, lapel, double-breasted buttons, a side pocket, the button detail on the wrist. It is a shorter fit, and then has that same fit through the back. Lots of good details. This one also comes in khaki. They're $36. Pairing it with this mock neck top from Free Assembly. So these are really nice and stretchy. They have that higher neckline, longer sleeve. It is slightly relaxed through the body. It comes in the white. There's also this white and black stripe, which I could also do, and the black, and they are $12. Denim, I'm going to go with the Time & True mid-tone. This is the mid-rise straight. These are only $17.98. They also come in this darker wash, the solid indigo, and then also in that black. Bag, I'm going to go with this flat bag from Time & True. So you have a top handle option, also adjustable strap. These are $19.98. Comes in that purple. Earrings, I'm going to go with these little like square, they kind of look like black onyx from Time & True. They're only $3.88. I initially wanted to do sneakers, but I think I'm going to go with the ballet flats from Time & True. So these have the square toe, the little bow. I think they're just like really good classic wardrobe pieces, and these are only $12.98. And that's the finished look. Next look, I'm going with this leopard dress from Time & True. It has the smaller collar, full button down, has the button on the wrist, also comes with the belt. That same kind of fit through the back. This one also comes in solid black, and they're $19.98. Pairing it with this blazer from Scoop. This one has the smaller collar, lapel. It's completely lined on the inside. Relaxed through the wrist with the button detail, and then it has the seam detailing in the back. These are $38. Pairing it with the tote from Time & True. So this one has a top handle, also a shoulder strap option, that little side compartment snap closure. They're $32. It comes in the brown, also in the black, and then the black fabric. Jewelry, I'm going with the chunky hoops. These are from Time & True. These are a little on the heavy end, and they're only $3.88. This is my favorite necklace I picked up from Time & True. These are only $6.88. It can make any outfit look so good. Boots, I'm going with the knee boots from Madden NYC. So these have chunky heel, zipper on the inside. These are going to be $35. And that's the finished look. Next look, I'm going with this open front cardigan from No Boundaries. So it has the drop sleeve, ribbed wrist, the 2 front pockets, that same kind of fit through the back. Comes in the black, ivory, mauve, and green, and they're $18.98. Pairing it with this tee from Wound Up. This one has that crew neckline. It's a relaxed fit. These are only $5.48. Going with the light chambray skinny jeans from Time & True. These are a high-rise. They're fitted through the leg. They also come in dark indigo and black, and they're $17.98. Bag, I'm going to go with this crossbody style from Madden NYC. It comes with the little coin purse, adjustable, also removable straps. You could do a clutch. Top zipper, these 2 compartments. It's on sale for $15. I think these were regularly $20. Jewelry, I kind of like these studs from Time & True, the little love knots. These are $3.88. Boots, I'm going to go with these platform. These look just like the heeled Uggs. They're like hundreds of dollars. So they're from No Boundaries. They have the round toe, platform, chunky heel, zipper on the inside. These come in black. They also come in like the classic look. and they're only $24.98. And that's the finished look. For the next look, I'm going with the two-piece vest set from No Boundaries. So the other colors are this black and white pinstripe, also this brown plaid. I'm pretty sure there was one other color. I'm gonna go with this solid black. You get the two pieces for $18.99. Pairing it with this black mock neck sweater from Scoop. So this one has that rolled neckline, has that side seam detailing, the little slit on the wrist, so relaxed fit. Comes in the black. They also have that purple. I think we also saw in like a peach tone, and these are going to be $28. Going with the shoulder bag from Time and True. This one has the top zipper, has an adjustable shoulder strap, has an asymmetrical design in the red, brown, and black. I'm gonna go with the red, and these are $18.98. Earrings, I'm going with these hoops from Time and True. These have the multi-strand, and they're $3.88. And then I'm gonna go with this multi-set of bracelets. I can't think of the designer, but I've been seeing a few on my other social medias. They look very similar to these two styles. Shoes, I'm going with the red ballet flats from Time and True. They have the square toe, the bow, a little bit of a heel. Also comes in black and leopard. We also saw them in the nude, and they're $12.98. And that's the finished look. Next look, I'm going with this cargo skirt from Scoop. It's high rise. It has the cargo pockets, a little faded with the slit in the front. The same kind of fit through the back, and they are going to be $28. Pairing it with the Time and the No Boundaries crew neck tee. These are super soft and stretchy. I did size down one just for more of a fitted look, and it scoops in the middle. So it comes in black, also comes in green, gray, and white, and these are only $6.98. Also going with the slimmer fit cardigan from Free Assembly. So these have that ribbed neckline, ribbed wrist, full button. We saw these in some other colors maybe the week before last shop with me, and they're $20. I'm gonna also go with this Western style belt from No Boundaries. So I'm seeing a lot of looks, but these are really nice for the price. They're only $12. Bag, I'm gonna go with this shoulder bag from Time and True. It has the snap closure, the smaller shoulder strap, also the longer shoulder strap that is adjustable. Comes in the black pebbled leather, the teal, and the red. These are $18.98. Jewelry, I'm going with these hoops from Believe by Brilliant. So you get the chunkier, smaller style, the medium, like rope look. These are $14.94 for the two. I was gonna go with these boots again, but I'm gonna go with these from Madden NYC. So these are just a little bit more of a chunky option. They have that rounded toe with the rubbered heel, zipper on the inside. These are $35, and that's the finished look. Next look, I'm going with this crew neck sweatshirt from Wound Up. So it has that higher neckline, drop sleeve, ribbed wrist, this soft fleece, and the same fit through the back. This is the extra small, so it is an oversized fit. They're $11.98. Pairing it with the puffer vest from No Boundaries. So this one has that mock neck. It's a shorter boxy fit, has the side pocket. Looks like it's on sale in store regularly $12.98. It's down to $9. It also comes in the camo. Denim, I'm going with the Signature by Levi's mid-rise straight. These have some whiskering, no rip, some fading through the leg, and then it's the same through the back. These are $24.98. Jewelry, I'm gonna go with the rhinestone hoops from Time and True. These are $3.88. And this watch set from Time and True. So it has a vegan leather band and then a bracelet. Looks like a tennis bracelet. The two pieces are $15.98. And then I'm going with these moto boots from No Boundaries. They have the round toe, chunky heel, lace up with the buckle detail, zipper on the inside. They're $29.98. Also going with this knotted headband from Time and True. These are $4.88. Also going with this crossbody bag from Madden NYC. So this one has the top handle with the snap closure, has the crossbody strap, or you could just use that handle, has a little zipper detail. Comes in the black and the pink. I'm gonna go with the black, and these are $20. And that's the finished look. If you didn't want the Halloween sweatshirt, you can also go with any of the solid color sweatshirts from Athletic Works. Those are under $10. I'll have them linked as well. Next look, I'm going with this tank from Madden NYC. It has the thicker strap, square neckline, seam detailing through the front, and then zipper in the back. It comes in the brown, also in this gray. That's what it looks like, and They're going to be $15.50. I'm gonna go with the brown, and then I'm also pairing it with the matching skirt. So this one has that same detail, zipper in the back, comes in those same colors, and they are going to be $17. Pairing it with the classic white button down from Time and True. So these have that smaller collar, full button detail on the wrist. It scoops in the middle with the seam in the back. Comes in white, black, and the blue and white stripe, and they're $16.98. Earrings, I'm gonna go with these hoops. Maybe these hoops from Madden NYC. So these have that chain link. They're pretty big, but they're not heavy. Also going with this cuff from Time and True. I think these are, they're like $5.88 or $6.80. Bag, I'm gonna go with this brown shoulder bag. It also has the chain strap, the crossbody strap from No Boundaries. These also come in black. Shoes, I'm gonna go with the Leopard belly flats. I would probably do a leopard pump or even like maybe a brown pump, but they don't have any here today, so I'm just gonna go with the leopard. I think it'll tie in the browns nicely. These are $12.98, and that's the finished look. So there is some silver hardware on the bag, but you can remove that, and then if you wanted to really match the jewelry, I'm pretty sure they also have the earrings in silver, and then the cuff bracelet. They also have other silver options from Time and True. Next look, I'm gonna go with this mock neck bodysuit from Madden NYC. So this one is lined with a cami. It's fitted through the body, thong style back in the burgundy. Also comes in the black. That's what it looks like on. And they are going to be $15. And then I'm gonna pair it with this vest from Scoop. So this one's a nice like flowy material, has the buttons, it's completely lined, that same fit through the back, and they are $24. Pairing it with my favorite flare jeans. These are from Sofia Vergara. They're high rise whiskering. This is one of their newer colors, and then also the denim is a little thicker than usual. And then the pockets on the back, but the same amount of stretch. These are $24. Jewelry, I'm gonna go with these hoops from Believe by Brilliant. So these have that inside out kind of detail, and I think these are $14.98. Bag, I'm gonna go with this shoulder bag from Time and True. It has the top zipper, adjustable straps, also comes in brown and the red, and those are, I think they're $19.98. And then for shoes, I'm gonna go with, I think these from No Boundaries. I know I get questions on why these boots with the flares, because when you have that little lift, those Melissa flares are really long. So you can wear a platform or a chunkier heel and they'll be covered. You're really not gonna see the shoes. But these also come in the beige. They're $29.98. So you get that height, but you also get the comfort. Next look, I'm going with the fold over sweater from Free Assembly. So this has a side button drop sleeve, ribbed wrist, ribbed bottom, comes in the green, also in the navy. I think I'm gonna do the navy, and they're $26. Pairing it with the $11 boot cut jeans from No Boundaries. I love this lighter wash. They have this new mid-tone, and then also the dark indigo and black. So very true to size. They're super stretchy with the whiskering, the perfect amount of boot cut. I'm gonna go with, I guess, the mid-tone. And then I'm gonna layer with one of the Time and True shacket. So this one has the mid-size collar, oversized tortoise buttons, the 2 flat pockets. I was initially gonna go with the brown and white, or this camel color, but I think I'm gonna go with the navy instead. It also comes in this black and gold, and then the pink and burgundy. These are $24.98. And then I'm gonna do brown accessories. So I think I'm gonna go with this bag. Usually when I go with this one, it does have the blue in there, but I get a lot of like negative comments. So I'm gonna do this one. It has the snap closure, the top handle, nice roomy inside. You can adjust it, like pull it a little smaller, and then it also has the shoulder strap. It comes in the brown, purple. This one also comes in black, and I'm pretty sure they're $28.98. Jewelry, I'm gonna go with these smaller. They're the chunkier hoops from Time and True. These are $3.88. Boots, I'm gonna go with these chunky heeled from No Boundaries. So these look a lot like a designer dupe. Those are like $1,300. They also have similar styles from UGG. They have a lot of new heeled Uggs this year. So these have the round toe, chunky heel, zipper on the inside. This plush lining on the inside comes in the camel, also in the black. And these do run big. I tried to get, they don't have half sizes, so I tried to get the 9.5, but they don't have them, and the 9 was too small. So if you're a half size, like an 8.5, I would say get the 8. If you want to wear them with thicker socks, you could probably do that, but I'm gonna go with the camel. And that's the finished look. Next look, I'm gonna go with the corduroy button-down jacket from Free Assembly. So it has the mid-size collar, full functioning buttons, the 2 flat pockets, belt, button detail on the wrist. This one also comes in the denim, and they are going to be $36. Next look, I'm going with this corduroy jacket from Time and True. So this one has the Sherpa collar. It has the snap buttons completely lined with the button. Same kind of fit through the back. In the blue, also comes in black. There's ivory and camel, and these are $29.98. Pairing it with these jeans from Time and True. So I went to share it. It was from my other social media, and it was a designer brand that I haven't heard of, but her jeans look just like this. So it had the 2 pockets, seam through the front. I don't know if I should do the denim or the camel. I think I'm gonna go with the camel color. And these are $22.98. But like I said, that looks almost identical. I think she had some distressing, and they were like 1 shade lighter. Then I'm gonna go with this Henley top from No Boundaries. So this one has the snap closure. It has the oversized wrist with the thumb hole, scoops in the front and the back, in the ivory, also in the black, and they're $9.98. I'm gonna go with these little like filigree style hoops from Time and True. They're nice and lightweight, and they're only $3.88. Big, I'm gonna go with this little crossbody. You could also do top handle from No Boundaries and the Sherpa. And then for shoes, I was initially gonna go with these like knit light ballet flats, but I think they're just there's like too much ivory. I guess you could do that, but I'm gonna go with these instead from Time and True. So they have the rounded toe, the gold buckle. It's a footbed style bottom. These also come in black, and they're $19.98. And that's the finished look. But I'm going to end the video. Thank you so much for watching. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye.